Hey, what's up? This is Khalil Sediqi here for After Effects video. In this video, I want to show you how to create animation or drawing in Adobe After Effects. So let's start. Take a look, guys. There I have illustration of the Spider-Man. So this illustration is divided in three layers. The first layer is about sketch, and the second layer is about blue color, how to create blue color and apply stylized scribble. And the second layer is about red color. There is the red color, and apply scribble effect. And don't forget, go to file, save as, and go to desktop, select Adobe Illustrator and write the name of your file. So what's next? Go to After Effects and don't forget, double click when you want to import this sketch of Illustrator. Turn off these options, click on import and take a look. There we have import kind of composition and the dimension is layer size, original layer size. Click OK. And now I have the sketch of the illustration. Create a new composition and select your favorite preset size and right here animation, and there I want to make this animation in 10 seconds. Change to 10 seconds and select the background to white color. Click OK and don't forget, select the classic 3D. Click OK. And now fit, turn on title action save area, press Ctrl R. Let's turn off the title action. Select your sketch, drop here, and press S to control the scale. Hold Control slowly, and now double click, go to Head. There I have three layers, the first one, second one, and the third one. Select the sketch, turn off the transparent, turn off these two sketches, select the sketch layer, and go to Layer, make auto trace. Apply the new layer, click OK. And now select your auto trace sketch, go to Layer, turn on setting, change to black color, click OK. And now select original sketch file, turn off, select auto trace sketch, go to Effect, go to Trap Code, select the 3D stroke. You can download Trap Code plugin from my Patreon account and click 3D stroke. Go back to 3D stroke and change the color to black. Hold Ctrl, change slowly the rate of the thickness. Let's see, the rate of the thickness, hold Ctrl, turn on, let's see, not bad. So guys, and now time to animate. I want to draw this sketch of this animation. Turn on the sketch of this animation into 3 seconds. How to do this? Stopwatch, the end, make 0, stopwatch, go to 3 seconds. And now turn on to 100, press U, go to end and right click, easy ease, and close your layer. Take a look. Turn on sorts. Go back to animation. And now go to project, select your PNG black pencil. Hold Ctrl, change the size like this, and make final. Select the sketch, double click, go to composition setting, change the time duration to 10 seconds. Click OK. Zoom out, select all layers and make it 10 seconds. Go back to animation and select guideline, one guideline, and another guideline, another guideline. Select the pencil, lock the bottom layer, select the pencil, and rotate a little bit. And let's start the drawing from here. Take a look, guys. Go to Window, select the Motion Sketch, turn on, and there I have the Motion Sketch tab here. Select the Start Capture from 0. Select, turn on tight, unlock, make it 10 seconds, lock again, select, start motion capture, and fast move the pencil like this about turn on tight, about the height and everything like this. So if you don't like this sketch, start again. Go back to motion sketch, select the start capture again. And now fast drawing like this. Turn on tight, turn on tight, turn on tight. Nice work. Finish. So guys, don't forget, select your layer, press U, select your all keyframes like this. Hold Alt key to make fast motion. And don't forget, turn on the motion capture. And let's play now. Turn on tight, turn on tight, turn on tight, turn on tight. Nice work. So from 3 seconds, 15 frame, go to 4 second, 15 frames, select your pencil and move it down here or move to right. Play now. Turn on tight, turn on tight. And now I need to double click here and select the sketch, turn on. Press T for the opacity. Stopwatch, go to 1st second and make 100. Right click, easies. And now play. Good. So guys, and now time to color fill. Turn on tight, turn on tight. Select the blue color. Add here and rotate. Press S, scale down the size, rotate. And now I need to bring the blue color. Turn on stopwatch, press P, and go to 1 second. From 4 second 15 frames to 5 second 15 frames, move it right here. Let me see. Blue is starting from here and like this, start this cage. I think turn on tight, I must use the second from red. Select and rotate and sit here. Go back to sketch, turn off the blue color and select this one. Turn on tight, turn on tight, turn on tight. Select the red color and apply linear white. Apply here. Turn on tight. Take a look. Change the direction like this. Change the direction and turn on tight. Minus 180. Turn on tight, 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 turn on tight. Direction like this cage direction. Turn on tight, turn on tight. Start from here. Stopwatch, go to in turn on tight, turn on tight. 2 seconds, make it 0. Take a look. Press U and right click, turn on tight, make easies. Go back to animation and now time to move the pencil. How to move the pencil? Turn on tight, lock your another layer, select the red one and start from here. Select the pencil and go to motion sketch. Click here So let me see. The pencil must start from here. So guys, take a look. Start from second one and go back to start capture and move like this. Nice. And now select your all layers. Hold Alt key, make fast motion, and move it right there. Hold Alt key and take a look. When you play, select again the all keyframes. Hold Alt key, select again. Good. Select these keyframes, delete from here. And now select the pencil to move right there. Select the keyframes. Select again, delete these keyframes again. Good. So it is now time to apply the blue color. Go back to project and select the blue color pencil, press control the scale and start from here. Go to sketch, turn on the blue color and go to animation. Apply the linear wipe on blue color. Select, apply here. This one is about the red one and this one is about the blue one. And let's change the direction. Change the direction. Stopwatch. Start from here, turn off, stopwatch again, and go to in 1 or 2 seconds, finish. And now the blue color is starting from 6 second 20 frame. Go to animation, select, and you can move it by frame. How to do this? Take a look, guys. The pencil is gone. And now I need to use the blue color. Press P, stopwatch, move the blue color right there. And now press frame by frame. Finish. And now go to 15 frames. Move the blue color to right side. And now let's play. Take a look. Finish. Finish. So guys, and now I need to change the keyframe position of this cage from here. Take a look. turn on tight, 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 turn on tight. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to draw a digital, uh, how to make digital drawing in Adobe After Effects by using Motion Sketch and Adobe Illustrator in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching. Turn on tight, turn